Hi, I'm Tammy Bartles with Women for Gun Rights, and this is...
I'm Kate Giddens with Women for Gun Rights.
And we are here today at the NRA National Convention talking about what we've got going on for Women for Gun Rights. So you may not be familiar with us, but it is our 10-year anniversary this year, and we have introduced a whole lot of exciting things. One of the things we're doing is every year we take our state directors to Washington, D.C. to advocate for women, for gun rights, for the Second Amendment. And this year we have opened it up to any member who wants to join us. And it is going to be September 12th through 14th, again in Washington, D.C. And Kate, you want to tell them a little bit about our membership?
Yes, I do. So, Tammy, today we have introduced a whole new membership system so that people who support our mission and ladies who want to be part of it can contribute to the cause as well as get something from us to say thank you for being there for us. So we have 3 levels of membership. There is Patriot, Defender, and Founder, and each one comes with some special gifts. There's t-shirts, there's raffle tickets. We have some amazing raffles throughout the year. And also the founding membership gets a challenge coin, which is quite special.
So we're here just sharing information. We hope you'll join us in Washington, D.C. this fall and join us as a member of the organization. And you can learn more about us at www.womenforgunrights.org.
That's www.womenforgunrights.org.